Welcome to OXO Business. It is presented as a 100% safe, trusted, and transparent platform created to provide better opportunities for people. OXO Business aims to build a strong multinational market platform that offers daily need products, premium quality items, and business growth opportunities. The mission is to support both rural and urban communities through a powerful marketing platform. The vision is to create successful entrepreneurs and offer selected products with discounts of up to 40%. Important legal and company documents are presented to reflect authenticity and trust. Registrations, certifications, and government-related documents are shown to strengthen company credibility. MindGrow is a wellness product designed to support clarity, focus, brightness, and overall support for the mind and eyes. MindGrow is also presented as helping improve focus, memory, mental clarity, reduce stress, and support brain health. To get started, a user can activate an ID by purchasing between 1,000 rupees and 2,499 rupees. After 25 months, a 5,000 rupees bonus opportunity is mentioned, subject to terms and conditions. The platform highlights multiple income options, including joining income, team management income, team circle upgrade income, investment and level income, salary opportunity, best performance rewards, and repurchase incentive. The joining level incentive shows 40% on the first level, 10% on the second, 5% on the third, 2% on the fourth, 1% from 5th to 10th, and 0.5% from 11th to 25th level. Team management income is linked to network growth through multiple circle benefits. A second direct joining incentive is stated to go toward growth funding and bonus creation. A bonus grand total opportunity of 38,27,880 rupees is highlighted based on business growth and performance structure. Team Circle upgrade income is available up to 25 levels. The first level shows 12.5%, second 2.5%, third 2%, fourth 1.5%, fifth 1%, with additional percentages across higher levels. Investment income is shown from 10,000 rupees to 5 lakh rupees, with 10% monthly and 2 times in 20 months highlighted in the presentation. The backup plan mentions investment above 5 lakh rupees with an EV scooter plus 2 times in 20 months opportunity. The Buy OXO EV scooter plan highlights 125% cashback along with 5% monthly and benefits shown over 25 months. Level Invest income is available up to 25 levels with different instant incentives and monthly returns. Direct 12 joining is stated as required to activate full 25 level income, with overall earning potential up to 40%. The salary opportunity page presents a lifetime salary plan. The first level target shows 10 lakh direct investment with 25,000 rupees monthly salary, followed by higher level percentage structures. Best performance rewards include tours, oven juicer, washing machine, fridge, EV scooter, laptop, bike, bullet motorcycle, cars, and Mercedes or villa level rewards based on business achievement. Company banking support includes Kotak Mahindra Bank, Axis Bank, and digital payment options for transactions. Terms and conditions mention 100 rupees minimum withdrawal, banking time withdrawals, 5% TDS, 5% admin charges, and 500 rupees monthly purchase requirement for an active ID. Official company addresses include the head office in Dehradun, manufacturing unit in Roorkee, and EV scooter showroom in Saharanpur. Thank you for being a part of OXO Business. For more details, visit our website.